channel. Alright, 1, 2. Hey guys! I'm back and you're back on my channel.
Ito yung Naomi.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be Baking 101 with my sister. So, this is, I guess, our second video together.
Yeah.
So, siya kasi yung mahilig sa baking and ako lang yung kumakain. So, this time, papaturo ko sa kanya on how to do oh my God! On how to bake some cookies. We found out this recipe and procedure on the internet. It's actually marshmallow cookies. Pero for this video, we will be just doing cookies, like chewy cookies. So while we're doing this, we are also going to answer some of your questions that you sent us on my Instagram. So let's start first with the baking. Yung nakita kasi namin, it's from Cookcat. So naka-grams yung mga ingredients niya. And what we have right now, yung mga cups. Pakita muna natin sa kanila yung gagamitin nila.
Okay.
Alright. So first, let's proceed with the actual equipment or the materials that you will need for you to bake.
You don't actually know. Ingredients na lang.
Bakit? Sige, ingredients na lang. So guys, we will be just first showing you all the ingredients that you will be needing to create or to bake your own chewy cookies. Alright, first is butter. First is butter. It needs to be melted.
No, it should be softened.
Softened. I know melted.
Kasi may magkaiba kasi yan. Pag melted, so liquid siya. Pag softened, ano pa siya, matigas siya, pero hindi siya melt.
Alam nyo na.
Hindi nyo alam, diba?
Okay, so you need a softened butter.
Yes.
Next is, what's this?
It's all-purpose flour.
This one's an all-purpose flour. Next one is brown or washed sugar.
Brown sugar.
And we will be showing you guys yung mga measurement ng bawat ingredients.
Ito ba?
later. We also have like chocolates.
Chocolate.
We don't have
Tira-tira.
chips. Yung chocolate kisses ba yun? Chocolate
Yeah.
chips. Wala kami nun. So what we have here is chocolate coins and flat tops. So that's what we're doing.
Yes.
What's that?
It's baking powder.
Anong difference ng baking powder sa all-purpose flour? Sige nga.
Flour yan. Ito, pampaalsa kasi yung baking powder.
It's first that we need to do is what?
First, you have to put the softened butter into the bowl.
So we need to put this into the bowl.
No! You should measure it first.
Okay. Ensure na i-measure niyo siya like 1/2 cup of butter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Iaano ba natin? Hindi natin na-double yung measurement.
Doble natin.
Are you sure? Okay.
So for
Ganun
this,
na naman.
ang gulo! So marami kasi kaming gagawin. So dodoblehin namin lahat ng ingredients ni Cookcat para madami kaming magawa. Pag hindi pinag-aralan yung yung procedure eh. Alam mo, wala ka mapapala sa akin sa ganito eh. Taga-video lang ako
Kasi
dito.
150 grams sugar.
Alright guys, so we need to do the conversion off camera kasi nagkakalituhan kami pagdating sa math.
And next is sugar.
So for sugar, our measurement is 1 cup of sugar. And that is too much sugar for me.
1/2 cup ba?
Yes. 1 cup.
Ay, 1 cup.
1 cup of sugar.
Okay, watch this.
Huh? Huh? Bakit hugasan pa?
Kasi may 1 and 1/2 pa tayo para sa flour. Paano yan? Mayroong ganito.
Sino bibid?
Ganon siya. Gusto niya talaga ako lang yung gumagawa na lahat. Ako yung mag-measure, ako yung maghuhugas, ako magluluto. Pala mo na yun ang putik. Faster. Sa baking, isang pagkakamali mo lang, may sira na agad yung product mo. Okay.
So wala kaming whisk, so we need to be innovative. So we will be using fork instead.
Okay. Do you have to do that?
Yes, to show them the actual process. I don't know. Wag na nga, nahihirapan ako.
Feeling ko hindi naman kasi...
Basta 1/2 cup of butter. Hindi naman to baking 101 talaga.
Asan na yung questions? You're not asking questions.
Here, I'm gonna... Alright, so, eto, nakita ko na yung mga questions niyo sa akin for us. So, let's answer some of it. So, first, sinong mas maganda sa inyong dalawa? That's from Kamara Hana. Hi, Hana!
Hi, Kamara! Sa tingin mo sino? Kaibigan mo ko.
I think,
Ako!
ako.
No. Many
Hindi.
people say. Char.
Ay, sabi din ng friends ko.
O siya kasi, look at her face. Clear kasi yung face niya.
Hoy, it's not about that. I think,
No, look at my features. Mas matangos dito ko kaya sa'yo. Mas pagganan yung mukha ko. Bilog yung mukha mo. You're cute and I'm pretty.
wow!
Joke lang.
Kapal ng mukha mo!
Joke lang. Ayun na yung sabi ng mama at papa ko. Ako mas mahal ng mama at papa.
Tama na ba?
Lagi namin pinagtatalunan yun. Tapos sabi ni mama at papa, mas maganda daw ako sa kanya. Pero sabi ng friends niya, mas maganda siya. Eh di, wow.
Grabe, I feel betrayed. Hindi, I think mas maganda talaga siya sa akin. Siguro maputi lang ako compared to her. And then,
Excuse me?
ako naman, tapos ka na. Maputi ako compared to her. And then, I don't know. Basta feeling ko mas maganda siya sa akin kasi mas beauty queen.
No, it's
Kasi
about
mas
the
beauty
face,
queen
not
ish
about
yung
the height.
feature niya. Pati yung face, like, buhog is bigas, and then ako, bilog. Basta parang feeling ko mas maganda siya sa akin.
Maganda ako. Tuming may message siya sa akin. Okay, PS, mas maganda ako sa'yo.
Okay guys, so for the next question, for sure di kami mag-aaway dito. This is from Jazel Saludes. She asked, sino mas maldita sa inyo?
Siya.
That's me. So next question, this one's from my very first industry teacher, si Miss Carla Rabe. So she asked, who's the better cook? Kita niyo na.
I am.
So i-mix natin siya.
Yeah. Okay.
So while we're mixing this one, okay, next question, paano niyo po mapapasaya ang taong malungkot? Ano ba?
I don't have a...
That is from Kathleen G. Channel. Paano ba? Alam mo, if someone is sad, you can't do anything to make them happy kasi they can only help themselves. That's just for me, ha? I mean, kahit ilang beses mong isipin yung right words to say sa taong malungkot, hindi niya ma-absorb yun because he or she is thinking otherwise. Kasi nga, he's sad, and that's emotion. And you know, the biggest competitive that you have is yourself. Diba?
And the only thing you can do for her
Is to be there.
Yeah,
Diba?
to listen.
To listen.
Yeah.
Yung mga taong malungkot kasi, because I've been there, lagi naman ako nalulungkot. For me, yung mga taong may pinagdadaanan, may mga taong malungkot, they don't need any advice from us. They need comfort. They need support.
Yeah.
So, basically, you can't do
Just
anything
be there.
but to be there. Yun. Next is egg. So, one egg. Next question. This is from Ate Lorraine. Hi, Ate Lorraine. Kapatid ni Bianca.
Yeah, hi.
Best and worst qualities of each other. Oh, game. Si Ronto.
Best and worst qualities of each other.
I guess, first ako muna. Best quality muna. Ay, di. Worst quality muna. Woo! Ganyan ba kayo?
Yeah.
So, best quality, worst muna tayo para may pampalubag loob after. Worst quality of Maxine. Grabe yung bibig niya.
Ano yung bibig niya?
Palasagot siya. Best quality as a sister. Uto-uto siya. Wala akong maisip. Tamo, napaka-worst mong sister. Siguro ang best quality niya as a sister, very masipag siya compared to me talaga. Wala talaga akong kwenta. Siguro, siya yung maasahan talaga ng parents ko in terms of household chores and other things. Yun, very nagre-rely sa kanya yung parents ko and ako talaga, palamunin lang talaga ako during ECQ.
Agree.
Oh, ikaw naman!
So, 1 and 1/2 cup.
Mar, lili pa rin siya ng hangin.
Worst mo is everything about her.
Wow!
Hindi. Alam ko yung ang worst niya is yung pagiging maldita niya
Ang
talaga.
kalat mo.
Basta lagi niya ako inaaway, tapos lagi niya ako sinasaktan. Tapos pag sinaktan ko siya, sabihin niya, ayoko na sinasaktan ako. Oh my God. Ganun talaga. Basta magkalakit siya. Pag inaaway niya ako, sinasaktan niya ako. Salamat siya, hindi ko siya inaano kasi syempre, kailangan ko pera. kaya ako na dito ginagawang vlog na to kasi kailangan ko ng pera. Joke lang.
Okay, best.
Wala.
Ayaw.
Kala mo ha. Gagantihan kita. Ang best sa kanya is pagiging galante.
Galante ba ako?
Hindi. Pagdating sa family or basta sa panlilibre, ewan ko, sa akin kasi galante siya eh. Lagi niya kasi akong delibre ng food. Tapos pag may kailangan din naman ako, nagbibigay siya. And I think that's the best part of her. Part? That's the best thing about her. After ng all-purpose flour, may sa baking powder.
So I'm cutting the chocolate. Next question. This is from Nurse Shy _. How do you motivate each other?
Sa pag-exercise, pinamotivate niya ako.
Siguro sa pag-exercise because right now we're doing Chloe Things programs. And then lagi sinasabi ayaw niya na, pero lagi ko siya sinasabihan na pag tumigil ka ng isang araw, tutuloy-tuloy na siya. And then just think about what if malit na yung ECQ and then babalikan mo yung time na sana pa nag-exercise na lang ako to have a better body or to make my body more toned. So, yun. Feeling ko hindi kami ganun eh. Hindi kami yung sobrang emotional kind of sisters. More on wala away, tawanan. Pero in terms of the emotional aspect, hindi kami ganun ka-open sa isa't isa. Kasi wala talaga siyang kwentang sister. If pwede nga ito sa aso niyo, eh, okay lang sa akin eh. Add pa ako magkano ba gusto niyo.
Ayoko na. Ikaw na tita mag-bake. Magme-melt to. What do you think?
Okay lang.
Okay, parang feeling na lang kaya natin
Oo,
yan.
parang feeling na lang namin yung chocolate. Kasi right now, melted na siya dahil sobrang init!
Saan ko yung
Oo, ito magbitbit na no.
Tignan niya, nalalig niya yun? Para sa kanya to, tas ako na naman magliligpit.
So, what are we going to do?
Wait, I'm gonna...
So, ito na yung dough. Dough ba yung tawag?
Yeah.
These are
Butter.
cookie dough. Sobrang nice. We have Cloud9, so let's try.
Game, it's matigas naman and it has nuts.
Ano
diba?
gagawin? Paano ilalagay dito?
Wait, let's put this first.
Huh?
Yeah, we'll have to put this first.
So, inahalo lang namin yung Cloud9 sa cookie dough because wala namang ibang chocolates here. This is the dough with Cloud9. So cute. Paano ba to?
It's a
So,
tray.
wala kaming kahit anong baking equipment maliban sa measuring spoon.
Yeah,
So,
pero...
lalagay ko lang.
Uy, wag masyado madami ah.
Paano? Dapat di ba spray? Ano?
Yeah, but we don't have spray. And wala din kaming parchment paper. Kasi sa baking ano lang talaga nakakabili nun. So, I think pwede na ang bond paper. Kasi na-try ko siya nung nag-bake ako ng sprinkles. And,
Gumana naman. Then, nalagay mo yung bond paper.
yeah.
Para lang dumikit. Sinayang mo lang yung butter. Let's see. Ooh! Bakit hindi siya brown? It's already brown. Hindi ba siya brown? Ooh! Ayan, sabi sa'yo, nagdidikit eh. Ayan na siya.
It's too big na.
So, we're done with our first batch of cookies.
Yeah!
And if you want to follow the procedure and the ingredients that we used to create or to make these cookies, just please just go to the description box below para sa procedure and ingredients of this one.
Yay!
And yes, that's just it for today's video, guys. And I will see you on our next vlog. Bye! Taste test.
Masarap, parang gawa ng tao.
Go cousin, taste test. Go get some.
Masarap.